in this very beautiful spot. If you can say some words about me and my work as a testimonial.
Of course.
Yeah. You go on first?
Yeah. Tutu was amazing, very efficient, answered all my messages. I would message him at random times of the day. He's all the way out in Romania and we still be able to communicate. He knew exactly what time, where we were, and the pictures came out beautiful, which is the most important thing. And I think she was happy, so that's the most important.
Very happy. You make sure he takes every angle, every picture possible, so you can take out of hundreds of pictures. Amazing.
Couldn't recommend him more.
Thank you very much.